The difference between what I would call normal kitchens is that the company who is producing it we wanted to make not cabinets but furnitures, looking into the future where they break down walls between the kitchen and the living room. So the first statement was to create a furniture. I think the favorite design is this where we're standing now, which is called the Serie 100. I have only one problem with this design. It has been impossible for me to change it. And it's almost 20 years old. And I've tried many times to say, well, let's look at it from another angle. But in kind of a way, it has found its final form. And in respect of that, I just leave it as it is. I don't change anything. I do the architecture, the house, the building, the rebuilding or whatever it is, and then we start on scratch with all the furniture everywhere in the house, and sometimes also new artists on the walls. So it's a brand new thing that we create together. I think a good advice for a young designer is to skip all the magazines. Go back to them, of course, but start in interviewing the professional world, for instance, a hotel kitchen, a restaurant kitchen, a bar, whatever, and then talk to people, talk to the clients, and try to translate their dreams in your way. Yeah, I think that would be very good. And then be honest to the process and the material, and remember that God sees all.